ECDL Advanced, Excel, Lesson 88, Auditing. The auditing features can be used to display the structure of calculations within a spreadsheet. They can be very useful in helping to track down problems, particularly in complex worksheets with many formulas. The commands are available from the Formulas tab, Formula Auditing group. Okay, so this lesson is just going to be a very basic introduction to auditing to help us become a little more aware of the features that are available. Open the workbook Audit Trail. This contains some simple formulas so that auditing techniques can be demonstrated. Okay, let's display the Formulas tab. Now, I particularly want to look at the Formula Auditing group. This contains the functions that are associated with auditing. In your own time, if you place the cursor over each button in turn and check its tooltip. Okay, we're going to click the error checking drop-down arrow just over here to view the other commands. And from here, we can check for common errors that occur when using formulas, or we can show arrows that indicate which cells affect the error value of the currently selected cell. Okay, let's leave it at that for the moment. We'll go into more detail in the next few lessons. So let's click away from the menu to close it and leave the workbook open for the next session when we will be discussing tracing precedents. Okay, I look forward to seeing you then.